That was more work with.
There you go.
Huh. That was the wrong one. Estas se quitan con hasta la mano. Is that normal? Mira.
No need for it to be difficult.
I know, but does it seal proper?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on.
It's rubber.
Turn that like that. Y ahora nomás. What the hell?
Was that a eagle?
I think está matando un pájaro.
It's got it on his claws. You saw that?
The crow is killing something, not...
Yeah, it's killing a little bird.
Oh. Pero no tiene agua.
Mira. Focused. I got it.
Is that the only one though?
Normally there's two, at least. 2 or 3.
Have you tried using this one?
That's the one I was looking for.
It was right on your foot. No, too late, I guess. How is it?
I'm blind as a bat.
¿Sí tiene otro?
Yeah.
¿Dónde? Ah, ese vas a necesitar el chiquito. You're gonna need the small one, right?
Why? No, but it's right on the...
On the edge?
Yeah. Okay.
I should have fucking ran a ver si podía hacer que lo guarde.
Try to save it? Yeah. He's probably injured anyway. He was probably going to die.
Yeah, they normally go for the throat.
Yeah. The way it screamed, and look at how far it is. Oh yeah, they're having breakfast at this time.
So I guess you find it.
Can you push the drone that way? Wait, what's that? Oh, is that the electrical?
Oh no, Dad, I can't see.
Okay, hold on, give me a sec.
Checking some water now, I guess. Cualquier cosita. Here's the, if you need to pull the, want me to do it?
Oh, I got you.
Oh, they came off real easy.
There you go.
Oh, I'm guessing it's un tapón que nomás deja que haga así, no para to regresarse.
Right.
Alright, anyways, let me... Now you see why I wanted my drill rig?
Wait, hold on now. Where's the
Pump it, George.
Oh, right here. Move.
Yes, it's clean.
Okay. They be pumping.
Yeah. Take out the...
Hold on, let me check the pump.
I need to open it for you to properly check it. It's not the same, so that's what you're wondering.
Oh, wow.
Oh, no, la misma.
I know, pero lo que importa es que le quede esto. I got the adapter over here, mira. You can actually use it.
Buenos días.
Buenos días.
Disculpe, me moleste.
Diga.
¿Ustedes arreglan lavadoras, secadoras y todo eso?
Sí.
Ok. ¿Me podría dejar su número? Porque ahorita como que me está fallando mi secadora.
Ajá.
Y quiero probar si sí ya no me va a servir o si ustedes me la pueden arreglar.
Ah, permítame un momento.
O trae tarjetas.
Ah, mire. Aquí las puse. Ups. Son labels, lo puedes sacar y pegar en su hielera o ahí en su electrodoméstico. Lléveselos todos.
Oh, me los llevo, ok.
Sí.
Para recomendarlo. Ok.
Ándale, pues, oiga.
Muchas gracias. Si me sigue fallando,
Ajá.
porque la semana pasada la vi como que no me estaba secando bien.
Ajá.
Y ahorita no la he vuelto a usar.
Nomás pegue uno en su hielera y otro en su lavadora. Y el día que tengan problemas, ahí va a estar el número.
Ándale, pues.
Ya.
Muchas gracias.
Ándale, que tenga buen día.
¿Cómo va a servir esto, compañero?
I know. That's why it wasn't pumping.
It's off though, like it's
Oh, completely off.
It's snapped off. Look at it here.
I gotta put it on video.
Fine. Yeah. You done?
Yeah, so this. You know what? This is actually the first time I see this.
Something. Can you
Like it broke off. Huh?
can you take it off? Because I'm trying to do something. It doesn't come off. Anyways, here's the connection.
Actually, yeah. Well, you don't need to work on this. Just replace that.
Oh no, dude, that's a very weird connection. Hold on.
No, it's compatible. That's why it's got that adapter.
Okay. Okay, let me just get the rest of it on then. So this one goes here, you said, right?
Yeah, that's an adapter that'll fit on there.
Okay.
That way you can use it as just like the other one. Just snaps in there. There you go.
Oh, crap. I did not check this part. Hold on. Where's the old one? That's gonna be hard to know.
As long as the area where you're gonna put the screws don't actually make a hole all the way to the.
Hold on. I know how I can find this out. This is gonna suck. This one goes in a really weird way. No me hace sentido esta chingadera. Ah, para ti. Puedes quitarte de eso.
See, that's why you gotta do this more often. I keep telling you. Ah.